In this video, we will discuss about vermiform appendix. Appendix is a blind-ended muscular tube. It is attached to the posterior medial wall of cecum, about 2 cm below iliocecal junction. This is the cecum. This is the posterior medial insertion of the appendix. The posterior wall, in the posterior wall or in the posterior portion of cecum, in the middle it is attached. This is the appendix. Then this is the iliocecal junction and the attachment is approximately 2 cm below the iliocecal junction. About its measurements, length is 9 cm. It can range from 2 to 20 cm. Diameter is 1 to 7 mm. It is relatively longer in children and decreases after 40 years of age. About the parts of appendix, it has a base, body and a tip. About the base, it is attached to the posterior medial wall of cecum, 2 cm below the iliocecal junction. All tinea of cecum converge to the base and serve as a guide for the identification of appendix. This is omental tinea of cecum. This is free tinea and this is mesocolic tinea. All these structures join together at the base of appendix. We will see about this tinea in detail while discussing the large bowel. About the body of appendix, it is a narrow tubular structure. It has a canal and this canal opens into cecum. The opening is guarded by an incomplete mucus fold called as the valve of Gerlach. Third part is the tip. It is the least vascular and is directed in various directions. This is the blind tip of appendix. This is the body of appendix and this is the base with the opening in the cecum. Then, based on the direction of tip of appendix, there are 5 types. Subcecal, below the cecum, pelvic, towards the pelvic cavity, pre-ileal, in front of the ileum, post-ileal, behind the ileum, and retrocecal, behind the cecum. Retrocecal type of appendix accounts for 64%, which is the most common type. About a structure called mesoappendix. It is the mesentery of appendix. It is short, triangular and variable. It extends the whole length of appendix. The body of appendix is skinned on itself, where the free border of appendix ends. Hence it is coiled like a worm and it is named as the vermiform appendix. Appendicular vessels pass through free margin of mesoappendix. This is the mesoappendix or mesentery of appendix. Here you can see appendicular artery and its branches passing through it. Then this is the body of appendix. It is skinned like a worm. This is the free margin or this is the margin of the appendix that attached to the body. So inside this margin it is skinned like a worm. So it is called a vermiform appendix. About the blood supply, it is through appendicular artery. It is a branch of inferior division of ileocolic artery. This is ileocolic artery. This is inferior division of ileocolic artery and appendicular artery is a branch of this inferior division of ileocolic artery supplying to the entire appendix. Nerve supply, parasympathetic supply from vagus nerve, sympathetic supply from T10 segment of spinal cord. Lymphatic drainage is into superior mesenteric lymph nodes via ileocolic nodes. About a point called McBurney's point. It is represented by a point at the junction of medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3 of a line which extends from umbilicus to right anterior superior iliac spine. This is the line that extends between umbilicus and right anterior superior iliac spine. This is the anterior superior iliac spine. This is an imaginary line. This is the McBurney's point. So it extends from 1/3 of line from anterior superior and 2/3 of the line from the umbilicus. This is the point where the patient suffers from maximum tenderness in case of appendicitis. About applied anatomy or clinical condition of appendix. It is the inflammation of appendix and it is called appendicitis. Most commonly seen in adolescent age. Removal of appendix is called appendicectomy. This is the McBurney's point where the child complains of maximum tenderness because of the inflamed appendix. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.